Jake, where are we going?
To the Legoland.
For what?
For my birthday.
Yeah.
I want the boss. Hi, boss.
Very tough to it. Go ahead.
Hi, boss. It's the best thing. I just want to have myself. Welcome to Eat with Emma. Hey, Dylan, look.
Put on your lap.
La 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 la. La la la.
Are you guys excited for Legoland? One more time. Who's excited?
Yeah.
Jake, are you excited?
I want to
For your
hold the
birthday?
boss.
You want to hold it?
I'm so Legoland, Jay. I never went to Legoland.
I've never been to Legoland either. We've all never been.
Mama, I want this. Mom, I want the boss. I am just doing something. I am Daddy. And my name is Daddy. My nose. I know. And what do a flower sign? Don't you eat foot and know the heart your beauty. Dada? I don't know. But we got to do the way. Are you excited, boss? Boss? I'm holding the boss hand. Hey, boss. I just love that.
Legoland, Emma! Woo! Jake, are you excited? Your 8th birthday.
We're at Legoland now. Let's have some fun.
Right, Jake?
Let's have some fun.
That's so cute. You guys excited?
Yeah, we're excited.
You guys excited? Jake, where are you?
All right, you ready? Okay, should we go find a ride?
Yeah, I want to do the boats.
Okay. Whoa, Jake, look at this though. Billy, is that cool or what? Come on, let's follow Jake, come on.
Like that?
Come on, let's go. Yeah, exactly.
This is all out of Lego. The whole city.
What do you think, Dale?
Good.
Want to go in there?
What do you think, Jakey? Isn't that cool or what?
This is the poster.
You'll get in trouble, please don't do that. Doodle, what do you think? No, that's my king. Here we go. Here we go. I see driving school. Dylan and I are gonna try this ride out right here. Should be fun. We got Jake behind us over here, so we'll see how he does. Here we go. Woo! Here we go. Here we go.
Whoa! Fast! We're going fast! How are we going really fast?
I know, it's awesome.
Yeah, I can see everything.
Do you like it?
Oh, Jake, this is awesome! Wow! This is amazing!
Look. Woo! How awesome is this, Dill?
Good! Fun!
A lot of fun. We got Jake behind me over here. Emma!
Hi, Emma!
That's my Emma. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom! I don't want to drive this!
Jake, look at that roller coaster. Should we go on that?
No.
Why not? Isn't that cool? That's cool.
Okay, Jake. Come on, Jake.
Jake, come on.
Get over here.
Take a photo.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
2, 3.
Whoa, Jake. Yeah.
There, I see them. I see them. Go. Babe.
Have a better stroller.
Yeah, that's the most expensive. No, Jake, you have to do it in this box. Right next to the chicken shop, go back. Okay, let's go. What do you think, Jake? Look, look.
Yeah.
What do you think? Good. Yeah. All right, here we go, guys. Emma, what do you think? Are you super excited?
Oh, Philip. Look at Philip.
Philly, wave to him. I see him. Whoa. Jake, look at mommy.
Put them on. The right way. You might have to hold them up on you. They'd sit next to Philip and don't let Philip sit on them.
Okay. Okay. Philly's gonna sit in the middle. Okay? Who's excited?
Me!
You? Who's gonna get the most bad guys?
Me!
Philly, what do you think of all this?
Bad guys.
Yeah, we're gonna get
I
them?
think about I'm gonna kill them.
Whoa.
They're gonna be paralyzed.
But you know what the instruction says? Slide with your hands.
Ninjago is waiting to go out on Ninjago at the moment.
I would play Belle.
Yeah?
Like Belle, our yellow cow.
So pretty.
Belle.
Big. All right, it rained, so everything is literally closed. So the kids are gonna play a game now, but we're gonna have to come back tomorrow because we didn't get to ride like anything. We got one ride in. It's already like 3 o'clock, so we'll come back tomorrow. Doodle. So when it rains here, they close literally everything. So even the inside rides are closed. So there's literally no point in being here when it rains. Don't know if it's worth the inclusiveness. The food really is not good.
I got one of them! I got one of them.
You are a mermaid? Wow, that's so awesome!
Did you get to go to the water park today?
No.
No,
Didn't get
not
too much.
today. Oh,
We'll have
it's
to
a
do
little
it tomorrow.
rainy. I think the water park was brought to you.
Yeah,
Exactly. It's a good way of looking at it, right? So what's your name? Emma? My name's Emma.
Nuh-uh.
You're name twins. How cool is that? I mean, you like purple too.
Do you like purple? Yeah.
Yeah? Is purple your favorite color? Yeah? That's so awesome! Do you like to paint? Yeah? Oh my goodness.
Do you like cats?
And I think you guys are going to be best friends.
Well, add her to the group.
Oh, for sure. Well, would you like to take a picture together? Oh, great. Here.
Would you like to come over here where the beach is? Oh, yeah.
Great. Come on over.
Right here. Stand right next to Emma.
Okay, Emma, say cheese. Phil.
It's terrific! I'm so excited!
Emma, are you excited?
Jake's never been on one.
Let's go, Philly.
Please remain seated and ensure your seatbelt is fastened at all times. If you are standing, please stay.
Philly. Jake, what do you think? Emma.
Not doing it well.
Whoa. Whoa, Philly. Woo, Emma. Okay, here we go. So we're staying at the beach retreat, which honestly, we went over to the Lego Florida hotel resort over at the main park and the pirate one. It was absolutely insane. Not relaxing at all, smelled a little bit like fish. Totally calmer over here and different vibe altogether. Really fun for the kids.
Hi! What? Welcome to the best day ever. Even the best day ever. Even the best day ever.
Blocks? Would you like to tell your vlog what you're doing?
I'm standing.
You're sanding? With,
Treasure.
what does that mean?
My treasure.
Oh, we're gonna find treasure down here?
Yeah.
What kind of treasure do you think they have?
I don't know.
Is it Lego treasure?
I feel something. Hey,
Whoa.
what is it? Diddy foot. I think it's a jewelry.
Oh, you want jewelry?
Yeah, I think it's
Is that what you
this.
want it to be?
Yeah, I think it's this.
Oh my god, I think it is too. Are you gonna find it?
Yeah.
If it's down there, I think you'll find it.
I think something.
Emma, look at the storm up there. Emma's digging for jewels. Jake, you have anything to say to your vlog?
We did. I'm high.
That's pretty cool. Where's Mama? Hey, beautiful.
He's building the biggest tower.
Yeah, for real. Whoa.
Good job, Dylan.
Emma's digging for jewels over there.
I see that.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Babe, he needs help.
I got it.
You got it.
So along with the pool, they've also got a really cool playground in the back here. I'll show it to you right now. Alright, I'm gonna help Emma dig. She's digging for jewelry. I'm not sure what kind of jewelry, but it sounds like some pretty impressive stuff. So let's see what she's got here going on. Okay, Emma, what do you think? Should we keep digging right here?
Yeah.
Is this the spot we should go for? What? Wait, okay, right here, right here. This is where I'm pretty sure the treasure is hidden, right here. Okay. What do you think? Oh, wait a minute. Did we go to the pirate restaurant tonight?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Was it crazy?
Yeah.
Did you guys play with Legos?
Yeah.
That was fun, right?
Yeah.
And now you wanted to look for treasure because of the pirates?
Yeah.
I agree, that's the way to do it. Right? Right, Doodle? Oh, wait a minute. Our bucket doesn't have enough room anymore. Our bucket's all full. All we need is just make a pile. That one's itty bitty though, Doodle. Okay, put
we
it.
can just use it.
Let's just use that one. Okay, let's do it.
Use that.
After a lot of work, this is what we did. I know, not much, but it took a long time. What are you doing? What are you doing, little kookaburra? Crazy. What? What? No, I'm not. What? How did I get in here? Yeah. Yo, crazy. What are you doing? You build blocks?
Yeah.
Wow. What did you build? A thing?
What's the number one? Are we done with
Em and I built. I love you too. A little bit. Have you got it? Yeah, come here.
I don't know why it feels good and right, but I love it.
I love it too. It's refreshing. Hey, do you want to
Our room has this super cool mural. And there's this really cool curtain in here. That's basically it for the room. There's not much else to it. There's a TV behind me, a couple drawers, storage, a fridge, a safe, and then you've got the kids' room right here. It's not big, but it's plenty of space for them. Got them down here. There are some Legos in here as well. You want down?
Yeah, boy.
Okay. Tell them. What do you want to tell them?
I love you.
Aw.
Where are we at?
Oh yeah? Where are we today, guys?
We're at Legoland.
For what? Jake, what is it?
For the ninja ride.
For a for his birthday.
Okay, your brother. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Look at me.
Look at mommy.
You excited, babe?
I'm always excited for Legos.
Billy's excited.
Yeah.
Jake, are you excited? Legoland.
Look at your donut.
Philly. Philly. Ninja.
Ninja. Who's a ninja? Good job.
Good job. Thank
All right,
you.
you guys enjoy the ride.
Come on, guys. Philly, did you say hi or bye? Okay, day 2. We're trying Ninjago again. Let's see if we actually get to ride it this time. Come on, Emma. Go, Jake. Go all the way in. Yeah, we do that, right? Okay, thank you. Okay, Philly, put these on so you can see it. Otherwise, we won't. Okay, who's gonna win? Me. Oh, it's starting, guys. It's starting. You need to wear them. Just put them down next to you, Dylan. Philly, hold them on so you can see it. It's gonna get started soon. Are you ready? Philly's ready. Okay, Jake, we actually get to ride it today. Are you excited? Oh. Who's gonna get the highest score? I think Daddy. Oh, here it goes. Oh, guys, look.
Welcome to Ninjago, everyone.
Billy!
Come in, this way.
It's so cold! Woo, Billy, that was crazy. Uh-oh. Billy, look, go like this. Billy, go like this. Get it, Billy, get it.
Ninja, training's over. Follow me.
hinges. Please remain seated until the gates open. Once the gates have opened,
Jake, thumbs
lift
up
up your lap bar and exit to the left.
Okay, guys, make sure you have your Dylan. Make sure you have your sunglasses. Wow, that was awesome.
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it? Was it too much? Oh no! I thought it was awesome. Oh. Poor thing. Whoa, whoa. Bill was just like this, babe.
I was trying to look at him. Emma was not having it.
I know. Billy loved it. Emma, not as much. Oh, do we have the wristband thing? Okay. Okay, cool. With the inclusive pass, you get a wristband to get photos, so we're gonna get ours now. Hey, how you doing? That's an awesome photo. Babe.
That's cute.
Is it in the stroller or is it in the bag?
This is a Lego T-Rex one. Does this have a wheel?
What?
Does this have a wheel? Don't be scared. It's okay. Have you done this? Nope. Never went on the T-Rex one.
Do you love it?
Well, that was super fast. I might go here again. Oh, yeah.
That was really, really fun.
That was really good, right?
Is that your guys' first roller coaster?
I want to go again later.
We can. Yeah.
That scared me too. I was scared.
Yeah, that was pretty scary. Were you guys screaming?
Yeah.
Oh. Are you ready? Bye, babe. Love you. Jake, thumbs up. Jake, put your foot on the pedal. Go, Dylan, grab it. Oh, sweet dude. What do you think, Dylan? Jake. Dylan, look at him now. Come. No, I'll keep my foot on the pedal. Yeah, go ahead. You gotta keep your foot on it. Sit down. Okay. Jake.
Bill, look. I can't.
Good. Mel. No, 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 no. Billy, is that your friend?
Fill up. Emma, look at me.
Okay, Jake, here you go. Hold on tight.
Bigger fish you catch, the bigger prize.
You're gonna beat me.
Oh, good try.